चैनल वक्त की आवाज़ को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं।
I have been here since yesterday. As I said yesterday, this is a terrible tragedy. We yesterday went to the site. We went to the camps. We assessed the situation there. And today we had a meeting with the administration and the panchayat. They briefed us on exactly the number of casualties they expect, the number of houses that have been damaged, and their strategy. We have said that we are here to help in any way possible. Congress family would like to commit to build 100+ houses here. Of course, it is a terrible tragedy. I think Kerala has not seen this type of a tragedy in one area. And I think I'm going to raise it in Delhi and also with the Chief Minister here, that this should be treated differently. This is a different level of tragedy and it should be treated differently.
Are we going to take up any proactive measures to put an end to these kind of tragedies?
Yes, that is part of the discussion, but right now the focus is on finding the bodies of people, finding potential survivors, and making sure that they are comfortable in the camps, and also rehabilitating people. I think rehabilitation is going to be a very important issue. What a lot of the survivors have told me, is that they do not want to go back to that area. So I think it's important that they are rehabilitated, but rehabilitated in a safe area and are not forced to go back. So these are the things that we have already raised with the government of Kerala. Thank you very much.
I feel very similar to what my brother feels. We have spent the whole day meeting people who have suffered. It's an immense tragedy. We've met a little boy who was holding on for 6 hours trying to save his mother, and he failed. His whole family, and he managed to save his grandmother, but he failed to save his mother. We can only imagine the kind of pain that people are suffering. And as my brother said, they've lost their entire families. So we are here to give as much comfort and support as we can, to help in any way we can. And I am also very proud to see how everybody is coming together, not just from Wayanad and from Kerala, but from the whole country, to help everybody who is going through this. And I think that at times like this, all of us should just do everything that we can to support our countrymen and those who are suffering. There's been a big tragedy in Himachal as well today. I think perhaps over 40 people have passed away there as well in a very similar situation. So our condolences and wishes for them also to get over this tragedy as best they can, and all our support and help to everybody. So our state governments have also offered help. We are helping from here, and of course the administration here is also doing all they can. And when we're here tomorrow, we are thinking of sitting down and just charting out how many affected people there are, what all we can do, what help is coming, how much support is coming, and how we can assist especially the children who are left on their own. I think one thing is very clear, that everybody who has been affected, who is living in this area, most of them are saying that they don't want to go back and live in the same area, because it's not the first time it's happened there. So I think we'll have to think of some solution where they can be rehabilitated in a safer area.